everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to create API key in Dex Trade account. To create API key on Dex Trade, open the Dex Trade application or visit the Dex Trade website on a web browser and log into your account. After you are signed into your account, from the home page, tap on the menu button at the bottom right corner. This will open up the expanded menu where you need to tap on the My Profile drop-down. Click on API Management under My Profile and click on Create Private API Key on the next page. Enter a private API key in the first tab and then go to the next field and tap on Send Code. Enter your two-factor authentication code that will be sent to you via email. Tap open the Dex Trade email that you received and then copy the code inside it. Now get back to the Dex Trade app and then enter the email code that you received in the text box. You will then be able to create the API key. Your secret key will be displayed on the screen. Tap the copy button to copy your secret key and then make sure to save this secret key somewhere else safe. Your secret key will be displayed only once, so make sure to type it down in a secure area. If you forget your private secret key, you will need to delete the API key and create a new one. So I'm just gonna go ahead and paste my secret key somewhere else safe. And right after you do that, you will be able to create a new API key on Dex Trade. You can use it to integrate with trading bots, third-party apps, or custom scripts that supports Dex Trade's API. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.